Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your audio experience to the next level, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the best true wireless earbuds for 2025, and trust me, these are not your average earbuds. Whether you're into immersive sound, crystal clear calls, or super long battery life, we've got something for everyone. Let's get right into it. JBL Live Beam 3 earbuds come with their case and features highlighted. These earbuds bring you the ultimate audio experience with their true wireless noise-canceling technology. They have 6 microphones built in that ensure your calls are as clear as possible, even in noisy environments. And speaking of noise, the active noise-canceling feature blocks out unwanted sounds, giving you immersive audio no matter where you are. These earbuds also offer an impressive 48 hours of total playback time, meaning you can listen to music all day without constantly recharging. For convenience, they support wireless charging, and the IP55 rating ensures they're waterproof and dustproof, perfect for working out or using in harsh environments. Plus, with multi-point connection, you can seamlessly switch between multiple devices, which is great for multitaskers. If you're someone who needs solid performance in both audio and calls, these are definitely worth considering. Ready to get your hands on these amazing earbuds? Check the link in the description below. Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro earbuds in a sleek setup, highlighting their features. These earbuds are a true powerhouse. They feature adaptive noise canceling powered by 7 built-in sensors, which adjust the level of noise cancellation based on your environment, giving you the perfect listening experience every time. Whether you're in a noisy cafe or a quiet room, the Liberty 4 Pro adapts for maximum comfort. The sound quality is phenomenal, thanks to the studio-level hi-fi audio, and the 6 microphone system ensures crystal clear calls. With 2 times faster charging, you'll never be left hanging for long, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you up to 2 hours of playtime. Whether you're using them for work calls, podcasts, or music, these earbuds offer a premium sound experience and impressive technology, all packed into a compact design. Want to take your audio experience to the next level? Check the description for the link to buy the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro. The JBL Tour Pro 2. These are the true wireless earbuds with a difference. They come with a smart charging case that features a built-in touchscreen. This screen lets you control music playback, adjust settings, and monitor your battery life all without taking the earbuds out of your ears. The JBL Tour Pro 2 also boasts 6 microphone technology, ensuring that your calls sound crystal clear no matter where you are. The immersive spatial sound system gives you a 3D listening experience that's perfect for music, movies, or gaming. On top of that, these earbuds offer up to 40 hours of playtime, making them perfect for long trips or intense listening sessions. Whether you're a traveler or just need reliable earbuds for everyday use, the JBL Tour Pro 2 delivers everything you need. Interested in the JBL Tour Pro 2? Find the link in the description to grab your pair today. Tozo Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds provide an impressive 55 hours of playtime, so you can enjoy your music all day long without worrying about running out of battery. With 6 built-in microphones and AI-enhanced clear call technology, your voice comes through loud and clear no matter where you're calling from. The active noise canceling is hybrid, meaning it blocks out a wide range of frequencies to keep you immersed in your music, podcast, or video. The earbuds also come with an LED display on the charging case that shows your battery status in real time, making it easy to see when it's time to charge. If you like to personalize your sound, the Tozo app gives you access to 32 preset EQ settings, letting you tailor your listening experience. The earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connections and an IPX8 waterproof rating, making them perfect for workouts or outdoor use. Whether you're at the gym or commuting, the Tozo hybrid earbuds will keep you connected and comfortable. Want long-lasting performance and premium features? Check the link in the description to get your Tozo hybrid earbuds. So there you have it. These are the top true wireless earbuds for 2025, each offering fantastic features like noise canceling, long battery life, and incredible sound quality. Whether you're working out, making calls, or just relaxing, these earbuds will elevate your listening experience. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to find out more and pick up your favorite pair. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.